little buddy? So today we are kind of starting our pond. So Granddaddy's on the excavator and he's digging out all these places, and we're gonna build a pond over here in our swamp. Now this is where we had that calf that got stuck in between the two trees, kind of over there. So we're eventually gonna make all this area a pond. So what Granddaddy is doing right now is he's starting the process of getting all these bushes out of the way, because it's been really dry the last month or so. So it's a good time to do it. He won't get stuck. So I'll kind of show you what he's already done. So right here, he's dug a ditch and to drain all that water out, and he dug some more over there, but kind of make this, all the water go in one spot so he can have some dry ground to dig. So kind of show you what he's doing right now. Right now he's, like I said, he's getting all the bushes out of the way. But this pond is going to be a really long project. Just kind of work on it a little bit at a time. So he's just kind of grabbing little things here and there and pulling them up. He's gonna dig this hole out a little bit more. Really move a lot of dirt with that bucket. He's got a 24-inch bucket on there right now. We have a 36-inch, but that's really big for this size anyways. Old feed trough in that mud hole right there that washed down in there. We gotta get that out of there. I'm not crawling in there though. He's gonna try to scoop that thing out. Yeah, he got it. Look, you can see the water filling in that hole that he just dug. See it bubbling? Finger in the camera. making a ramp right now so the cows can get in and out. So the cows like to go in there and cool off and sit, take a mud bath. And so what he's doing now with that dry dirt is he's making a ramp that they can walk down in, because the cow weighs a lot, so they can get stuck really easily in the mud. And so this little slope right here will allow them to get in and out safely. All right, I'm gonna go show you what he's done on the other side. So he's gonna do it from both sides. So right now I'm gonna go show you what he's done from the other side. Okay, here's part of what he's already done. He dug this big trench. You see, when he did this, I came out here yesterday and it was completely dry, but he dug down and now it's filling up with water. Again, what he's trying to do is he's trying to drain this swampy area back this way so that he can work in it. I'll go show you the other part. Then here's the other side. So he dug another little trench right here. And again, you know, it's gonna drain all this right there. Now if you remember where we got that calf out that was stuck, it was right there where that tree is, where my finger's pointing. And if you watch that video, it was so wet right there. So what this ditch will do is drain all that so that he can work and clear out all these trees and get it workable, and then start digging out the pond. So maybe, I don't know how big it'll be, maybe an acre or two, probably no bigger than 2 acres. But we're excited about it. So here it is. I'm gonna show you a little bit more of him picking up some brush. Got a little bit stuck right there. Let's shake it off. There we go. Got it off. Grabbing it and swinging it. Let's see him get one of those bigger trees. Might be a little while before he gets one of those. He's got to dig it up first. Grab a bunch of it, pull it out. To him and then swing around, and when he swings around like that, he rips off all the vines and all the stuff that's caught on. Big old vine right there. Like that, make it a little bit longer. I might have to do that one again. Get that, yeah, he's gonna set it down right there. And then he's gonna grab that big tree, maybe the top, we'll see. Or he might grab it at the bottom and just take the whole thing with it. Yeah, he's gonna try to just rip that off. Doing that for a while. One of the other good things about doing this is you're pulling all these leaves down on the ground, and the cows can come over and eat it. Because they can't reach it when it's way up in the air. They'll circle around that big pile right there, and then in a couple hours they'll have all those leaves eat up. And then next year, come back, whatever's left, we'll have a big bonfire and burn it all. I think you can get that tree. There he goes. He's taking that tree down now. It ain't very big. The bigger ones you have to dig the roots out of them, but I think that one's so small you can just pull it right up. Stab. Come here, girl. Loose. Loose. Come here. This thing is perfect for picking up trees that are about that size, man. It just makes quick work of all that stuff. All right. So there it is, the beginning of our pond. We can't wait.